Hello and welcome in today's video where I'll show you 2 easy methods to record your screen on Windows 11. So let's get started. Method 1. Using Xbox Game Bar. First, press Windows plus G on your keyboard to open the Xbox Game Bar. Then, go to the Capture section and tap the circle button to start recording. Or just use the shortcut Windows plus Alt plus R. Note, in my case this didn't start because in background another screen recorder was already running. Also, this Xbox recorder works better when you already have a game or app opened, otherwise it might not start. To stop the recording, just press Windows plus Alt plus R. Your recording will be saved in Videos Captures. Method 2. Using Snipping Tool. Press Windows plus Shift plus S to open Snipping Tool. Here at the top, select the record option. Then tap on New, and select the area of the screen you want to record. After that, tap Start to begin recording. Once you're done, tap Stop and save the video wherever you like. And that's it! You've now recorded your screen on Windows 11 using 2 different methods. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.